Hi, we're here with this famous gnome. What's your name?
I don't have a name, cause when I was 5 years old, I was found in an alley in a dumpster
Was it
with
clean?
no pants.
I see you have very moisturized face.
Yes, I do makeup every day.
Male makeup?
No,
What kind of lotion do you use?
I use Dove. I use Dove for women, cause I know
Oh.
women.
Oh, then why do you have such a long beard?
Every gnome gets a beard.
Even women gnomes?
Yes.
I'm sorry, I don't think that's true.
I'm a male, female, mixed.
Oh, okay. So, are you dating anyone?
Not really, cause my last girlfriend, she dumped me.
How was that?
Cause she saw my face.
What?
She saw my face.
Where is she?
I don't know.
Okay, let's. Good night, everyone. Any last words?
No. Just that, Shaniqua, why did you break up with me? It's the first date and you break up with me. We didn't order our dinner yet and you break up with me. What kind of person are you?
Good night, everyone.